In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Monzo Business, providing you with a comprehensive tutorial that will guide you every step of the way. Setting up an online banking account with Monzo can be straightforward and simple if you follow these guidelines, ensuring you have a seamless experience. To begin, head over to Monzo's website and hover over to the Business Banking section. Here you'll find the link to open a free business bank account online. Click on this link to get started. It's always convenient to keep your essential business information handy, such as your business structure and email address, to facilitate the process. After you've opened the business bank account section, proceed by clicking on Apply for a Business Account. This step is crucial as it formally initiates your application to set up your business account with Monzo. The interface will smoothly guide you through several customizable options which you should tailor according to your specific business needs. The next stage involves choosing what type of business you run from the given categories. For demonstration purposes, let's say you run a personal service. Once you've made your selection, you'll want to click on Next to continue. Remember, it's important to select the option that most accurately represents your business activities, as this information can affect the services and support Monzo offers you. Following this, you'll be prompted to choose the size of your team. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a team of several employees, Monzo needs to know how many people are part of your business. Choose Just Me if it's only you, or select the options for 2 to 3 people or more as applicable. This information helps Monzo in understanding your business scale. Click Next to advance, and then provide the details on how long you've been managing your business. Honest and accurate input here can ensure the best account settings for your business. Click Next once you have chosen the appropriate option. Continuing to receive payments from customers is a self-explanatory step. By selecting this, you indicate that you're ready to start receiving customer payments. Click Next. Now type in your email address. This email will be used for further correspondence and to verify your account. Again, click Next. An important note here is to ensure that you provide an email address that you regularly monitor, as all critical updates about your account will be sent here. Finally, head to your email inbox. Look out for an email from Monzo with further instructions. Open the email and simply click on the link provided to verify and complete your business account setup. This concludes our step-by-step tutorial for setting up a Monzo Business online banking account. With this setup complete, you're now ready to dive into seamless business banking with Monzo. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tutorials.